Today is day 1 of my 6-month YouTube growth challenge. I am going to upload one long video every single day and show you everything I am learning. If you are a small creator like me, this series is for you. Let's start with the exact strategies I am using to get my first 1000 subscribers.
So after I upload my video, the first thing I do is to check after uploading is my channel. The first thing I do is to check my channel after I upload my video. Right now I have over 26,000 views in the last 28 days. So I don't focus only on big numbers I focus on whether my channel is improving every week. Viewers watch, you can see my viewers, my watch time, my watch hour time, my watch time, and my latest upload. So from this screenshot, you can see how my page is performing. Like you can see the video I upload 28 minutes ago, you can see how viewers it has. So from the look, every upload gives me information if the video performed better than the last one. If you want to watch the full video, go to your YouTube app, search for my handle Benjamin AI and watch the full video. Don't forget to follow my page, like this video, share to 10 people. I will see you in my next video.